Hi, in this video we will learn about how to decrease anxiety, stress and depression through intermittent fasting. That is the important we will understand about that. Basically, in your body, the physiology, which that for example when you will eat food more chronically, which that will lead to cause stress and your body will go into the stress and you will feel the feel foggy and you will not feel active. So in this way your body will irritate through microbes or pathogen and immune activation, and in this way the basically when you will go into the chronically eating too much, so your body will not clean, and that is why you basically you will feel more hungry and eat more, and insulin will be spiked. So insulin will be spiked and growth hormone will be decreased. So with the passage of time, when you will go in the age wise, the growth hormone already decrease also. But in the case of the intermittent fasting, the growth hormone will be increased. When growth hormone will be increased, the growth hormone will grow your body and protect more. So basically the stress is a link with the intermittent fasting. We will learn about that. Basically when you will eat more, so in this way the parasympathetic nervous system activation, but the sympathetic nervous system decrease. So in this way when you will not eat, so your parasympathetic nervous system will be transmit in your cell for digestion of foods, and parasympathetic nervous system will be target to your tissue for normal growth and normal development, because the parasympathetic nervous system is used for the growth and development through growth hormone. So the parasympathetic nervous system is used for the growth in your cells, in your tissue basically, and target to the tissue during the starvation mode. And in this way the apoptosis will be occur for requirement. For example, the damaged cell will be apoptosis will be occur for the damaged cell, but also the growth will be occur and the insulin will be decreased. So in this way the growth hormone will be increased. On the other hand, the testosterone will be increased due to the intermittent fasting. So remember, the increase of the testosterone will decrease the depression. So remember that depression will be decreased due to the increase of the testosterone. So in this way the lipolysis will be occurred through intermittent fasting, and in this way the intermittent fasting, that when the lipolysis will be occur, in this way the cholesterol will be increased and go into the testes and ovary and increase the testosterone. Yes, when increase the testosterone, so in this way your body will grow and depression will be decreased, anxiety will be decreased. On the other hand, when you will empty in stomach, when you will not eat, so the duration of the time should be required, for example too much longer when you will not eat. So in this way the parasympathetic nervous system ultimately inhibit and the sympathetic nervous system activate for hungry, and stimulation of hungry and the fight and flight response can be possible. But for a short duration like 10 hours or 16 hours, it is okay, and that will be a good, and you can control the parasympathetic nervous system. And the basically important thing is that the your anxiety and stress and depression will lead to degradation and the sympathetic nervous system activation. So after the intermittent fasting, when you will eat, so the parasympathetic nervous system stimulate ultimately due to the eating and your cellular level to transmit the signal for the digestion of food. And in this way when you will not eat food, the parasympathetic nervous system will be transmit for the assimilation of the food in your tissue, part of your body. The nutrient will be part of your body from the blood into the tissue. So the transmission of the parasympathetic nervous system from digestive system to the tissue, and when tissue to the digestive system. So in this way, the intermittent fasting can decrease the depression, anxiety, and stress. This is the thinking. You can imagine that basically when you will not eat and go as a relaxation mode, when you will sleep and no eating. When you will sleep and no eating, it means the some parasympathetic nervous system activation. But parasympathetic nervous system activation is used for the rest and digest. So the rest is already, but where is the digest? Digestion is completed, but the digestion will occur in your cells. The glycogen synthesis, proteogenesis, lipogenesis even, lipolysis, the testosterone synthesis, estrogen synthesis for female, and the decrease of the fat, consumption of energy, the decrease of the insulin, and proper working of the tissue, and that is why. That is the major reason. But after you will long duration of intermittent fasting, when you will eat food, so the sympathetic nervous system need not increase but decrease because the rest and digest again stimulate. In this way, the cycle will be again and again will lead to decrease the depression and anxiety and stress, inflammation, and there is a lot of benefit through intermittent fasting. So this is the my knowledge I am addressing to you. Basically, you can comment below to understand to each other and comment about that. So basically, important thing is that the intermittent fasting will decrease the anxiety and depression because the parasympathetic nervous system stimulation again and again. When you will eat, then in parasympathetic nervous system activate. When you will not eat, then when you will go into the sleep without eating, so the parasympathetic nervous system activation, not stress, not anything. So that is all thing is basically interconnected, and the shifting of the parasympathetic nervous system to digestive system to your tissue, and again that will be work. So some people use drug for decrease the anxiety, depression, and stress, but just think about that. When you will use drug, so it means the chronically drug is important for decrease the stress and anxiety. So the completely prevention of stress and anxiety through drug is impossible, and also the side effects of drug is maximum. So that is why. And drink water to function more for intermittent fasting if you like that. So thanks for watching. I hope you make sense about the anxiety, depression, and stress decrease due to the intermittent fasting. And I am also making the handwritten tutorial about the biomedical science. If you are a student or expert, you can learn a lot of knowledge. And if you want to learn about the intermittent fasting, you can join my channel and give the comment below about the understanding. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video. For this time, bye.